Want to protect valuables in your 2019-2022 Chevy Silverado? Installing a center console safe is a popular DIY upgrade. These lockboxes fit inside your existing console, offering discreet security for firearms, wallets, and electronics. No factory option exists from Chevrolet, making aftermarket kits the go-to solution. Expect to spend $100 to $300 for a kit from brands like Truck Vault or Rhino USA. Installation is typically straightforward, requiring basic tools like screwdrivers and trim removal tools, and takes 1 to 3 hours. First, remove the console lid and armrest by unscrewing the fasteners. Disconnect any wiring for heated seats if applicable. Next, modify the foam insert to snugly fit the lockbox. Minor trimming may be needed. Secure the lockbox with bolts or adhesive, then reinstall all components. Check local laws regarding firearm storage. Smart lockboxes with app integration are trending, but ensure a snug fit to avoid rattles. While warranty voiding is rare, avoid damaging electrical components during the install. Online communities offer tips, with users using 3D printed spacers to ensure a tight fit. Check compatibility differences for crew cab and double cab models.